In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Snaptube on your computer or laptop. If you've ever wanted to use Snap on your PC, the process is actually quite simple. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, head over to your computer and open the Microsoft Store. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can find it by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store in the search bar, or by clicking its icon from the taskbar if it's already pinned. Once the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search bar at the top and type in Snap. Press Enter, and you should see the Snaptube app appear in the results. Click on the Get button to begin downloading the app. The Microsoft Store will automatically download and install Snaptube on your device. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app directly from the store, or find it listed in your Start menu under Recently Added. To make it easier to access in the future, right-click on the Snaptube app in the Start menu and select Pin to Start. Now, you'll have a shortcut for quick access whenever you need it. And that's it. You now have Snaptube installed and ready to use on your Windows computer or laptop. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.